Why do some Japanese families quietly save millions while many people around the world struggle paycheck to paycheck? The answer is not a secret investment, it's a simple daily habit that completely changes how money is used. In Japan, many people believe money should be controlled carefully, not emotionally. Instead of showing wealth through expensive things, they focus on security, peace, and long-term stability. This method is called Kakeibo, a Japanese budgeting system created more than 100 years ago. Instead of complicated apps, people simply write down how they spend money every day. Before buying anything, Japanese savers ask one important question: do I truly need this? That single question stops emotional spending before it even begins. Most people don't become poor because they earn too little. They become poor because small impulse purchases slowly destroy their savings over time. Kakeibo teaches people to divide money into categories like needs, wants, culture, and emergencies. This creates control instead of confusion. In many countries, people buy things to feel successful, but in Japan, many people save money first and spend only after careful thinking. Saving small amounts may look boring at first, but over years, tiny daily savings can quietly grow into thousands or even millions of dollars. When people physically write down expenses, they become more aware of wasteful spending. Awareness creates discipline. Discipline creates wealth. Many people spend money when they feel stressed, bored, or unhappy. Japanese budgeting focuses on controlling emotions before making financial decisions. Japanese minimalism is not about being poor, it's about removing unnecessary things so money can be used for what truly matters. One major goal of Japanese saving culture is security. Emergency savings protect families during hard times without depending on debt. Most millionaires are not created overnight. Wealth is usually built slowly through smart habits repeated consistently for many years. You do not need a huge salary to start saving. You only need awareness, discipline, and the courage to change small daily habits. The Japanese secret to saving millions is actually simple. Spend less emotionally, save consistently, and let small, smart habits change your future forever.